Hello guys, how are you all? Today I will show you a very important, interesting tutorial for you. By looking at the title of the post, maybe you all understood that what is today's post going to be about. You are watching on the screen that the Telegram bot that I am going to introduce you today will make your work a lot easier. Let's check it out. I found this trick very useful. I hope it is needed for me to explore all for you and discover this tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So without further delay, let's go into the direct post. So there are many of us who use Telegram all the time. I also use ChatGPT and AI image maker tools. How about if we use 8 tools for free through a bot? You also get access to Midjourney within this bot, but you need to purchase a premium version subscription for that. So we don't need that much because we will find DALL-E AI image make there is an alternative of Midjourney. So let's check it out. How can you start our tutorial? Just write down. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfur Rahman, the digital expert. Done on the Chrome browser or any kinds of browser. @ capital GPT4 Telegram bot, TELEGRAM. Sorry, just T will be the capital, ELEGRAMBOT. @ of GPT4 Telegram bot, then hit enter on your keyboard, and then you have a first option, contact at GPT4 Telegram bot. Enter this link, and now you have an option. How can you open this Telegram? Using the web page or using the desktop app of your Telegram. As I have desktop Telegram app, now I am going to open it. Open Telegram desktop. Look at the screen. I am using still I am using this that you are watching on the screen, that there are various kinds of image or pic here. I am using, and I sometimes I make a question with ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will solve many kinds of problem, and I hope this tutorial will be very helpful for you, as I am getting a bit of help from the ChatGPT using the Telegram bot. If you write down here any kinds of question, then the ChatGPT will answer you. Just I am writing, what is IR5? I mean Industrial Revolution 5. Then ChatGPT will answer within a few seconds what is IR5. Now I am writing, what is IR5? Mean Industrial Revolution 5. The ChatGPT will take a few moments and then will provide you the answer. What is Industrial Revolution 5? Yes, this is the answer. The ChatGPT answered this question. The term Industrial Revolution 5 or Industry 5.0 is a concept that refers to the next phase of industrialization, characterized by the integration of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things IoT into manufacturing processes. It builds upon the previous industrial revolution, which were marked by the introduction of steam power, electricity, and automation. Industry 5.0 is expected to bring about greater efficiency, productivity, and customization in manufacturing, so as well as new opportunities for innovation and job creation. However, it also raises concern about the impact on employment and the need for upskilling and reskilling of the workforce. This is the answer from the ChatGPT. Now I will try to make a image by using the DALL-E image. If you want to make a image by using this board, then you have to type slash, then write, you have to write DALL-E, DALLE, DALL-E, then you have to give a command, make a image of industrialization, then hit enter. You have to wait just 8 to 10 seconds, because many people are waiting this board. Many people are using this board. Then this is the industrialization picture that is made by ChatGPT. It is very, very helpful for you, I hope, because when you enter the website of ChatGPT, then you have to log in, and when you have logged in, then there are a few minutes you have to spare or spend. Then you have to you will get an permission to use the ChatGPT. But when you will use the ChatGPT using the Telegram bot, then you don't need to log in. Just go to the bot and ask a question, then you will get the rapid answer from the ChatGPT. If you enter the first time of this board, then you have an guideline. How can you use this board? This is the guideline I am showing. This is the guideline, and by using this guideline, then you will use this board easily. I hope this tutorial will be very helpful for you. If you like this tutorial, then I will utmost request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular update of ICT and others burning issues of the day. Goodbye, bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.lootfor11.com. Thanks.